Hello, we are BioHydra Africa, saving water and strengthening farms. Meet Mama Hydra. She's one of 16 million Kenyans who live in arid and semi-arid regions. She owns a small piece of land, but despite the endless toil, the harvest is barely enough to feed her family. This is not just Mama, it's not just Mama Hydra's story, it's the story of 14 million Kenyans. Arid and semi-arid region Kenya have up to 80% of the Kenya's landmass, and the crops planted in these areas experience moisture stress mainly due to low rainfall and poor soil moisture. This in turn affects 40 million Kenyans indirectly, stalling the GDP by 2 to 3%, and 1 to 2 trillion is lost in imports and outputs. How then might we improve the soil moisture retention for farmers in arid and semi-arid regions? Millions of tons of maize, cassava, and sorghum residues are burnt or left to rot each year, releasing greenhouse gases and waste valuable biomass. BioHydra offers a circular, locally driven solution that converts agricultural residue into a biodegradable super-absorbent polymer capable of holding up to 300 times its weight in water. And to enhance the climate intelligence, BioHydra Africa integrates a digital monitoring system to sense the moisture levels in the soil and alert the farmer. Why now? Change is increasing drought frequency, and arid and semi-arid regions are actively seeking climate resilient agriculture. We collect crop residues from farms and then partner with producing companies to convert the residue into the super-absorbent polymer. Our revenue streams comes from the distribution agreements, selling the polymer and sensors to agribusiness, and then licensing of BioHydra to other organizations. Our competitors have mostly synthetic super-absorbent polymers, which have a long-term effect on the environment and raises soil health concerns. They also have no integrated system, which offers analytics and not just the product. As for our traction, we develop and validate the biodegradable super-absorbent polymers, build the USSD irrigation advice platform for online farmers, integrate SMS alert systems using Africa's stocking API, and field tested the LoRaWAN soil moisture sensors in Migori County. We hope to have achieved a 30 to 50 increase in yield gaps, raise the revenue by around 50 billion plus annually, and then benefited 10 to 15 million Kenyans by providing jobs. Our milestone in funding, we hope to have developed the prototype and tested it in 6 months, and 2 months after that, we hope to in our formula, and 1 year after refining our formula, we hope to have filed the material patent, then filed the software patent, and finally filed the partner or like partner. Oh, we hope to have, what is this? Oh, we hope to have acquired the license of operation from the relevant stakeholders. Why our team is the best for this? Our team has combined expertise in chemistry, agriculture, and biomaterials, and also technology. We understand both the science behind moisture retention and the real challenges farmers face in these regions. These unique blends make us the right team to deliver impact, scale sustainability, and transform dryland farming. Thank you. I think that's it.